Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we're going to do a quick video walk-around tour of the 2019 BMW X7 xDrive50i we have for sale here. Comes in a black exterior. We've got a really sharp leather brown interior. I'll show you in just a sec. BMW calls this carbon black metallic, has almost kind of a bluish kind of a tint to it. Definitely a really sharp vehicle, and we see the interior here. So we got our door controls here, do have memory seats, seat controls, driver's seat itself, got our steering wheel here, and let's go ahead and hop inside. So mileage currently at 44,841. We do have a push button ignition. Love the shifter too, definitely super unique. Has these little X's in the design there. Okay, so we've got our display here. So do our radio. Here is our backup camera. Navigation built in as well, and below our display we've got all your climate controls here, media and whatnot. We've got heated or ventilated cooled cup holders there, super cool. Cigarette lighter or power adapter there. You've got your dial here you can use to control the display, as well as some quick access buttons there for some of the different media, home, navigation, and whatnot. You can also select your different sport, comfort, eco, driving modes. It'll affect how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. And let's go ahead and hop out, show you a few more things here. Do have heated and ventilated seats, as well as a heated steering wheel. We've got our rear seats back here. Some USB connections on both sides, as well as rear climate control. And we'll do another quick peek back up front. And sunroof, both front and rear. I do have a third row seats here, so you can easily, it'll automatically move the rear seat up so you can easily get to the back. Got some new all-weather mats back there for you as well. Alright, coming around to the rear, we've got our X7 BMW xDrive50i badging. We've got a power opening and closing trunk, as well as power opening and closing lift gate there. And you'll also notice there's this button here that you can use to lower the chassis, so the vehicle will actually lower to make things a little easier for you to load. It'll either lower it or raise it, depending on if it is green, that means it is lowered, and if it's not green, then it has not been lowered. So yep, you can see it actually lowered down to make it easier for you to load objects in. Push button to close both the lift gate and the trunk. There's also seat controls back there as well, so you can easily raise and lower rear and third row seats as needed. So once again, this was the 2019 BMW X7 xDrive50i. If you're interested in learning more about this vehicle, just reach out to us on our website, feldmannimports.com.